what nobody shows, and you're about to see what nobody's seen, and I'm about to give what I've never given you before. And it feels so good, it feels so good. It feels so good, it feels so good, it feels so good. Are we going to do what's never been done? And are we going to meet the moon or the sun? I wonder if you do you understand? It feels so good, it feels so good.
Hi guys, my name's Sam Pearce. I'm the founder of a design company and we've produced the Loop Wheel. Loop wheels are suspension within the wheel. So you can fit one of our wheels to an existing bike and you can have full suspension. So I thought of the idea in 2007 and did some sketches, but since then the design has come on and evolved considerably. Loop wheels have been developed for small compact bikes. They allow suspension where suspension can't normally fit. They allow to go over bumps easily, they're low maintenance and they're fun. This is our own Loop Wheels test facility where we can test our own wheels in-house on our own test machines. We have different machines for different tests. This one is for testing the damping of the wheel. We also have some quite sophisticated machines for testing the wheels riding over curbs. This one we can drop weights from a certain height and make the wheel move out. It allows us to compare our wheels with spoke wheels. It also allows us to test them to destruction. Here we have our rolling road where we can load the wheels up with the force of the rider and then test them over thousands and thousands of miles to make sure the wheels last the lifetime of the bike. So as you can see, we've put a lot of effort and resource into our test house, but we don't have the funds to take this to do the tooling required to produce this wheel in volume. So we've come up with a brand new concept in wheel technology using conventional components, our special springs, and all we need from you now is the money to tool it up to give you affordable Loop wheels.